I'm in the Ford F150 2015-2020, and a lot of questions about the traction control button, how it works, when to turn it off, when to turn it on. So traction control is the system that stops your wheels from slipping, and it's good for keeping the steering of your car, handling of your car under your control. So if you press this button, your traction control will be off. It's always normally on, and it should be on at all times when you just drive. There are some situations when you may need to turn it off, and then you press this button, and when you press this button you will see the message that traction control off. Now the traction control in your car doesn't work. You have the warning light on your dash saying that the traction control is off. To turn it on, you just need to press this traction control button again, and now your screen says traction control on. This pop-up message disappears. You don't even need to press OK, so everything is fine. And now you don't have this warning light, so everything works just fine. You may need to turn off the traction control in your car when you are going up the hill and there is a lot of ice, so the road is slippery and the wheels try to take your car up the hill, and they of course naturally slip. And when they do this, your car turns on the traction control systems, and it starts applying the brakes to the wheels that slip. So when it happens, you can't accelerate and your car just can't go up that hill. So of course, in this case, you may need to turn off the traction control and be very careful on your steering. Be very careful with the handling of your car, but you may need to press the gas pedal in order to let your car go up that hill. In all other cases, you may just need to keep this traction control on. Don't press this button if you just drive. You want all the safety system in your cars work properly.